Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our new session. Today, I'm going to explain you a beautiful poem, and the name of this poem itself is Beauty. So we see beauty all around us, the peacocks dancing, the cuckoo singing, the rustling of the wind, the dewdrops on the leaves, the fragrance of the flowers is all beauty which we can feel, hear, and smell. So, seeing a fully bloomed garden or a river full of water is beautiful beyond description. So, this poem Beauty speaks about the things which are pleasing to our eyes. According to me, beauty is all around us. And in this poem, also, the poet adds that it can be heard wherever we go and in whatever we do. It can be seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, and the growing corn, as well as in the people walking and dancing in the fields during the harvest season. So, let's begin this poem. Stanza 1. Beauty is seen in the sunlight. The trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. So, in this stanza, the poet finds the sunlight and the trees to be beautiful. पोएट जो है उनको सनलाइट जो है वो ब्यूटीफुल लगती है, देन जो ट्रीज़ जो है वो भी ब्यूटीफुल लगते हैं. पोएट बोल रहे हैं कि ट्रीज़ जो है, पेड़ है, बहुत ही सुंदर हैं. द पोएट फाइंड्स the action of growing corn and the people working in the fields to be beautiful. क्या बोल रहे हैं पोएट कि जो लोग खेतों में काम करते हैं वो लोग भी ब्यूटीफुल हैं, एंड द एक्शंस ऑफ ग्रोइंग कॉर्न इज ऑल्सो ब्यूटीफुल. सो अ थिंग ऑफ ब्यूटी इज़ जॉय फॉर एवर. जब हम कोई सुंदर चीज़ देखते हैं तो वो हमारी आँखों को जॉय देती है, हैप्पीनेस देती है. देन सेकेंड स्टैंजा. ब्यूटी इज़ हर्ड इन द नाइट, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. In the second stanza, the poet hears beauty only at night, as there are less disturbing sounds of traffic and people talking at night. जो पोएट है उनको रात की जो ब्यूटी होती है वो बहुत ही सुंदर लगती है, अट्रैक्टिव लगती है. क्यों? तो रात को जो ट्रैफिक के साउंड्स होते हैं, आवाज़ होती है, वो कम डिस्टर्ब करती है. The poet hears beauty in the singer chanting anything in earnest. Earnest, it is poet's earnest appeal to all members of society that listening and hearing the sound at the night is less disturbing sounds of traffic and people talking at night. Now third stanza. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. In this stanza, the poet asks us to find beauty within ourselves. पोएट क्या बोल रहा है कि हमें हमारे अपने अंदर ही ब्यूटी को ढूंढना चाहिए. According to the poet, good deeds and happy thoughts repeat themselves. These things are repeated in our dreams, in our work, and even while we are resting. We feel happy and relaxed when we see or hear things of beauty. तो हम हमारे आसपास अगर कोई ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ देखते हैं तो वो हमारे माइंड में रिलैक्स फील करवाती है, हमें हैप्पी फील करवाती है. सो ब्यूटी कैन बी हर्ड at night. The wind blows, the rain falls, and a singer sings from the core of his heart. The poet thus concludes this poem by saying that beauty lies within us too. There is beauty in every deed, in happy thoughts which are repeated in our dreams, in our work, and even while we are resting. तो पोएट जो है वो क्या बोल रहे हैं एट द एंड ऑफ दिस पोयम कि ब्यूटी जो है, सुंदरता जो है वो हमारे अंदर ही है, हमें बाहर ढूंढने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है। अगर हम अच्छे कार्य करेंगे, अच्छा सोचेंगे, राइट, तो हमारे आसपास हमारे अंदर ही वो ब्यूटी है। So that's all about this poem. Now let's discuss the question answers of this poem. Question number 1. Name two things that the poet sees and finds beautiful. So in the first stanza, the poet finds the sunlight and the trees to be beautiful. पोएट को ऐसी कौन सी दो चीज़ें ब्यूटीफुल लगती है? तो फर्स्ट स्टैंजा में पोएट को सनलाइट एंड ट्रीज ब्यूटीफुल लगती है। नंबर 2, नेम टू एक्शंस दैट द पोएट सीज एंड फाइंड्स ब्यूटीफुल। ऐसी दो कौन सी चीज़ें हैं, कौन सी एक्शन है जिसमें पोएट ब्यूटीफुल लगती है? सो द फर्स्ट एक्शन इज द पोएट फाइंड्स एक्शन ऑफ ग्रोइंग कॉर्न एंड द पीपल वर्किंग इन द फील्ड्स टू बी ब्यूटीफुल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, मेक सेंटेंसेस विथ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स: beauty, sunlight and dancing. Here 3 words are given. We have to make sentences from the following words. So number 1, beauty. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Number 2, sunlight. Plants need adequate sunlight to grow. And number 3, dancing. I saw a peacock dancing in the rain with its feathers spread in all glory. Now question number 1 from second stanza. Why does a poet hear beauty only at night? The answer is the poet hears beauty only at night as there are less disturbing sounds of traffic and people talking at night. दिन से ज़्यादा रात को जब ट्रैफिक की जो साउंड्स होती है वो कम डिस्टर्बिंग करती है, इसीलिए पोएट को रात को ब्यूटी अच्छी लगती है। नेम 2 थिंग्स इन विच द पोएट हियर्स ब्यूटी। पोएट को कौन सी 2 चीज़ों में ब्यूटी दिख रही है जिसमें उनको सुनाई दे रही है ब्यूटी? द पोएट हियर्स ब्यूटी इन द विंड साइंग एंड इन द फॉलिंग रेन। Name number 3, name one action in which the poet hears beauty. The answer is the poet hears beauty in the singer chanting. Again, use the following words in sentence of your own: chanting and earnest. So here 2 words are given, chanting. We have to form the sentence using these words. The women in the temple were chanting some beautiful hymns. Chanting means गाना, गुनगुनाना. Number 2, earnest. It is my earnest appeal to all members of society to come together to keep our surroundings neat and clean. Earnest means serious in intention. Now, third stanza. Number 1 question in this stanza: where does the poet ask us to find beauty? The answer is in this stanza the poet asks us to find beauty within ourselves. Question number 2. According to the poet, what things repeat themselves? The answer is according to the poet, good deeds and happy thoughts repeat themselves. Number 3. According to the poet, how are these things repeated? The answer is according to the poet, these things are repeated in our dreams, in our work and even while we are resting. Last question, how do we feel when we see on or hear things of beauty? अगर हम हमारे आसपास कोई ब्यूटी फील करते हैं या देखते हैं तो हमें कैसा फील होता है? द आंसर इज वी फील हैप्पी एंड रिलैक्स्ड व्हेन वी सी और हियर थिंग्स ऑफ ब्यूटी। अगर हम कोई ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ देखते हैं हमारे आसपास, अगर हम फील करते हैं, अगर हम सुन रहे हैं ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स, देन हम कैसा फील करते हैं? वी फील हैप्पी एंड रिलैक्स। That's all about the poem Beauty and the question answers of this poem. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a nice day.